Homemade buttermilk biscuit. Take 1 tablespoon of fat, put it in a cold skillet, throw it in an oven that's about 450 degrees. And then I take 2 cups of self-rising flour. And then I put in a 1/2 cup of my homemade butter and take a pastry cutter and crumble it up. Now you can get the homemade butter recipe from another video, as well as this homemade buttermilk from that butter. Drizzle in the buttermilk. Don't want it too wet, but you don't want it too dry either, so just take a little bit of time, and usually about 3/4 or a cup of buttermilk. Then I dust the table, dump the flour onto the table. You can pretty much make drop biscuits from this point on, but I like layering my biscuits. So I'll fold it over and push it down very gently. And take a rolling pin to it and spread it out. Now I know buttermilk biscuits is like a sacred family thing, so I'm not going to pretend to go against whatever traditions you may have, but this is for people who have never made biscuits before or want to try different techniques. I mean, I've had some really good biscuits out there, but this was the quick and easy way my grandmother made them. And I just take a cookie cutter and push down and pull up. Don't twist, just push down and pull up. Leftover dough, I just refold it and push down and pull up. This is my wife's family tradition. Her grandma used to do this. Well, last piece of dough, she would roll it out and shape it into a form of a duck. It was called a duck biscuit. It's so cute. It makes her happy. So I got a hot cast iron skillet with the melted fat that's been sitting in the oven that was preheating. And I gently put the biscuit dough in the pan. And leave it in there for 12 minutes. And voila! Buttermilk biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Love to see you again.